In today's video, we are going to show you how to activate your futures trading account on Webull. Now, if you're looking to trade futures like index, commodities, or crypto, you'll need to enable futures trading inside your Webull account. Now, the first thing that you need to understand is that you must fully complete the verification process. Because if you don't finish the verification, you won't be able to unlock the futures trading feature on your account. The good news is you can do this on both the Webull mobile app or the desktop platform. Now, if your account is fully verified, you need to download the Webull app via the iOS or Android app or use the desktop version. In my case, I am already downloading it, and after that, I am going to install. Now, to make sure that your future account is ready, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the More section. This will open up multiple options, and as you may notice, once your account has been fully verified, you will be able to unlock your futures trader account. And of course, you're now ready. You can search for futures contract, index futures, oil futures, crypto futures. It's up to you. Remember to make sure you understand the margin requirements, use these stop loss orders, start small if you're a beginner. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you can activate your futures account on Webull. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can enable crypto trading on Webull. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.